Hello, my name is Floss and today I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth properly. I want your pearly whites to be clean and shine bright, so next time you can tell your dentist, yes, I floss like a boss. I eat it up and then I clean it up. First of all, use floss or an interdental toothbrush to loosen everything up in between your teeth. That's where lots of leftovers and bacteria are hiding. Use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush. That's more than enough. And then hold it under the faucet. Remember these easy steps. Biting, outside, inside surfaces. B-O-I. Oh boy! You might remember these from kindergarten. Use a gentle circular motion and light back and forth movements. Aim the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle towards the gum line. Try brushing from the gums to the teeth. That's how you prevent an inflammation of the gums called gingivitis. Don't scrub too hard though. You are going to do this twice a day for 3 minutes, in the morning and in the evening. But you can also listen to my song to get the timing right. If you want, you can use mouthwash, but don't forget to spit it all out when you're done. Make sure to get a new toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. You are now ready to floss like a boss.